Good morning, students. Thank you very much, students, for clicking on my video. I'm your Nagini ma'am, chemistry mentor. In today's section, I'm giving the two best tricks to identify the electrode students. Clear this one. So, this is the topic from electrochemistry second PUC. So, in case of cell reaction, what is the trick? In case of cell representation, what is the trick? So, two best tricks I'm going to discuss, students. So, in case of cell reaction, how to identify the anode and cathode. Now see, students, just to save the time, before only I wrote these equations. Now see, Nana, zinc plus 2Ag plus gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus 2Ag given here. Here zinc was standard electrode potential given, and standard electrode potential of silver also given 0.8 volts. We have to find E naught cell value. Okay, now E naught cell value we have to find it. How to find E naught cell value? E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So here students are facing a little bit difficulty to identify the cathode and anode in the cell reaction. This is the cell reaction, students. Are you following? This is the cell reaction. Here they given zinc electrode potential and silver standard electrode potentials both given. We have to find the standard EMF of the cell. So formula is E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Understanding, students? So we have to identify which is cathode, which is anode. Here zinc given, silver given. In these two, which is anode, which is cathode, we cannot. Here we don't know. Are you understanding? Here in the equation, in the question also, you're not given. This is cathode, this is anode, not given. But then how to identify the cathode and anode in this cell reaction? Which is anode, which is cathode, how to identify? Now I'm giving the best trick, students, in the case of cell reaction. Are you understanding? So in the case of cell reaction, I'm giving the best trick, that is best trick NAAC, NAC. Okay, so what is the trick, students? NAC. What is NAC? NAAC. Na means neutral atom. Na means what, students? Neutral atom. This is neutral atom. Neutral atom means what, students? Having no charge. Clear? And next, A indicates the anode, C indicates cathode. Clear this one? A indicates anode. Clear, Amma? And C indicates cathode. Clear this, students? So this is the best trick you have to remember, students. Then you can easily solve the problems. You can easily calculate E naught cell. Are you clear this one? So this is the very important trick you have to remember. Now see, students, in this trick what I told you, NAAC, NAC. So what is Na, students? First two letters, neutral. N means neutral, A means atom, neutral atom. So first which one is there? A. A means anode, C means cathode, neutral atom in cell reaction. Now see, students, which is the neutral atom? This is a neutral atom, correct? It is not having any charge. But silver, Ag, is having the charge. Here zinc is having the charge. Here silver is having any charge? No charge. Clear this one? So that's what I told you, Na, neutral atom. Neutral atom means having no charge. Are you following? So zinc is the neutral atom and silver also neutral atom. It both are not having any charge. Are you understanding? So see, zinc or silver both are not having any charge. Neutral atoms. Correct or not? Both are neutral atoms. Understood, Amma? So neutral atoms. So in the cell reactions, okay, neutral atom zinc silver is there. Now which is anode, students? Here before arrow, which is the neutral atom? That is the anode. After arrow, which is the neutral atom? That is the cathode. Are you following? AC, I told you. A is first one. And first which one will come? Anode. Second one is cathode. This is anode. This is cathode. In the cell reaction, both are two are neutral atoms are there. Zinc or silver, both are neutral atoms. Zinc is the anode, silver is the cathode. Are you following, students? Neutral atoms, AC, first anode means before arrow first one is anode, after arrow neutral atom is cathode. Are you following, students? NaAC, neutral atom. Now which is anode, students, in this reaction? Which is anode? Zinc. Which is cathode? Silver. Are you following? Anode zinc, cathode silver. So here what is the formula? E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So that's why here zinc is which one, students? Here what zinc, what is this? Anode. Okay, and silver is which one, students? This is the cathode. Clear this one? So potentials given. So like this, by using this trick you can easily understand which is anode and which is cathode. Now tell me, students, what is the cathode standard cathode potential, Nana? Here cathode is which one? 0.8. So you have to take here 0.8 minus E naught anode. E naught anode, how much, students? Potential minus 0.76. So already here minus is there, minus 0.76. How much, Nana? 0.8 minus into minus plus 0.76. Clear? So how much, students? 0.76 plus 0.8, 6, 15, 1.56 volts. Clear this one? So this is the E naught cell, that is standard electrode potential or EMF of the cell. Clear, Nana? So this is the first cell reaction completed. Now second example you try, Nana. See here, what given here? Second equation, mg plus 2ag plus gives rise to mg plus 2 plus 2ag. Okay, now here also they didn't give any information about the anode and cathode, just the cell potential, standard potentials given. Are you following? So what is our best trick, students? NAC. So in NAC, Na is what, students? Neutral atom, A is anode, C is cathode. So here in this reaction, before arrow which is the neutral atom, that is anode, after arrow which is the neutral atom. Neutral atom is nothing but having no charge. Okay, now it is anode, it is cathode. So magnesium is which one, students? Magnesium is anode. Clear this one? So this is anode and silver is cathode, students. Understood, Amma? This is anode, this is cathode. Then how to find it? E naught cell, students. So E naught cell is equal to formula what, Nana? E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Understanding? E naught cathode minus E naught anode, students. So what is cathode potential, students? 0.80 minus E naught anode. How much, Nana? Minus 2.37 given. So this value 0.80 plus 2.37. Okay, now 2.37. How much, students? 7. 8 plus 3, 11. 3.17 volts. Clear? So this is the EMF of the cell. Clear, Nana? This is the cell reaction. Understanding? So this is the case 1, students. In case of cell reaction, so in case of cell reaction, I gave the best trick, NAC. Are you clear this one? So this is the best trick, students. You have to practice this one. You can easily remember, students. Understanding, Nana? So this is the best trick. You have to remember this trick. Okay. So Na indicates neutral atom. A is anode, C is cathode. Which is the neutral atom? Before arrow, that is anode. Before arrow, that is anode. After arrow, which is the neutral atom? That is the cathode, students. Are you clear this one? NAC, neutral atom. Only neutral atoms you have to take. Anode, first one anode. Before arrow, anode. After arrow, cathode. Are you clear? So this is the first one in the case of cell reaction. Now in the case of cell representation. Cell representation, what is anode and cathode? Now see, students, second case. Now in case 2, in case of cell representation. So cell representation given here. So this is the in cell representation, students, what is the best trick? Here also students are facing the problem which is anode and which is cathode. They are unable to identify. Okay. So first, Nana, here I am giving the best trick. See, students, what is the best trick here? In case of cell representation, best trick is ABC trick. Which trick? ABC. What is A, students, here? What is A? A indicates anode. What is A? Anode. B indicates bridge. Clear this one? Bridge. Which bridge? Salt bridge. Are you following? Salt bridge. And C indicates cathode. Clear this one? A, B, C. Now see, students, this is A. This is A, students. A means anode. This is anode. This is the salt bridge, and C indicates cathode. Are you following? C indicates cathode. Here also, here which is anode, students? Zinc anode. Copper is acting as a cathode. Are you clear? That means what is the trick, students, here? What you have to remember? Best trick. What is the best trick? ABC trick. Now see, students, A indicates what? Anode. B indicates what? Bridge. Okay, now that is salt bridge, Nana. C indicates cathode. Okay, now A indicates anode, B indicates bridge, C indicates cathode. This is anode, this is the bridge, this is the cathode. Now anode is which one, students? Zinc electrode. So this is the in potentials E naught zinc. It is acting as anode and copper is acting as a cathode, students. Clear? Now we have to find the E naught cell. So what is E naught cell? Is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So E naught cathode, which is cathode? Copper electrode. What is the value? 0.34 minus anode is how much, students? Minus 0.76. Clear? Now how much, Nana? 0.34 plus 0.76. How much, students? 1.10 volts. Clear? So this is the E naught cell, that is standard EMF of the cell, students. Are you clear this one? So here you have to remember, in case of cell representation, this is the second case. In case of cell representation, what is the trick, students? ABC trick. In case of cell reaction, what is the trick, students? NAC. Are you following? NAC trick. Clear this one? Okay, na? So now see, students, last one. Here last example, students, last question. So here copper given, this is also cell representation, correct? So this one before salt bridge, this is anode. This after salt bridge, this is the cathode. So what is our trick? ABC trick. Okay, na? Anode, bridge, cathode. So anode, bridge, cathode. Now which is anode, students? This one is anode. Copper is the anode and silver potential given here, standard electrode potential. This is the cathode. Now how to find it? E naught cell. E naught cell is equal to, how to find it, students? E naught cathode minus E naught anode. What is cathode potential given, students? 0.8 minus anode potential how much given, students? 0.34. 0.8 minus 0.34. Understanding? So how to find it? 0.8 minus 0.34 minus 0.34. How much, students? 0.46. 0.46 volts. Clear this one? So like this you have to identify, students, which is anode and which is cathode. Like this you have to follow in, Nana. So here I gave you two best tricks. One is in two cases I gave the two best tricks. In case of cell reaction, what is the trick, students? NAC. In case of cell representation, what is the trick, students? What is the best trick? ABC trick. Clear this one? So these two tricks, just you remember, students, you practice, you can easily identify in the reaction which is anode and which is cathode, students. Clear this one, students? Okay, I hope you like this video, students. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, Nana. Thank you very much, students.